Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I am super excited because I just received the very first Jane's Agenda subscription box. I got finished working today and I checked the mailbox. Well, no, in front of my door. This was sitting on the doorstep, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this with you. I ordered it in the size 2, which is the personal size. And here it is. Wow. Okay. Ooh, got some confettis. Let's just pop that. Okay. There we go. So there it is. This beautiful tissue paper. Don't want to rip this, but I guess I am. Here it is, just some goodies. So there is Keep It Together. This looks like paper clips that are like the triangle paper clips, I guess. And then there is the JA on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it on the bottom. Let's move the camera down a little bit. There you go. J on the bottom, and it's got some blue birds flying. Stickers, stickies. This is in the blue washi tape that says "Don't Give Up." Alrighty. And then this is like a journal card. Fall is my favorite color. It sure is. It's also my favorite season. As the seasons change, so do we. I love this, that fall color. It's gonna match. Oh my goodness, I have a thing for dashboards, so I'm super excited. It's got a dashboard that has to do with fall, so it looks like it is a dashboard. It's gonna open it up. It looks like it's laminated. It's got the gold foil. Love it. Another dashboard. This looks like the vellum type. This is more like a acetate. Hopefully I'm saying it correctly. And then this is, oh no, it got a little busted in the corner. Here's that, so it's kind of see-through. I think this would look really cute if I were to place it right behind that, or this one on top. We'll have to see. I think I like this a little bit. No, well, we'll see. Okay, and then there is this one, which is a little bit thicker. The fall leaves. Let's see what this is. Definitely got like a fall theme going. Oh, these are just like almost cardstock. Dividers without tabs, I guess. Also go with the theme. And then, ooh, 2020. Got some vertical inserts. I've never done vertical inserts, so maybe this would be a good time to try it out for the remainder of, let's see, remainder of the year, for the next 3 months. September, October, November, December. Yeah, it looks like it goes all the way to December. January 3rd, actually, to be exact. Sorry, excuse the really loud. I do live in front of a pretty main road. This fall bucket list. Oh, I love it. Let's see how many there are. This one. Looks like just a few pages. 4 pages. And then here is like a canvas bag that says the letter J-A. There you go. Definitely be like my, yeah, I can see this as my tote, or if I have to haul around some planner stuff. I love it. There you go. I thought it was a t-shirt at first, but the canvas material definitely is not t-shirt material, so that makes sense. And then, ooh, look at this. It's like a bookmark of some sort. We'll have to see how much of it actually sticks out. Put this aside. Ooh, in the blue foil. Love it. And then, ooh, a midliner pen. It's a good bonus. Also in the fall color. I think I may already have something like this. Let me see what I've got. I think I already, is this the same color? Nope, it's darker. You know what? I may or may not have this color. I don't think I have it in the color, which is great. These, yeah, perfect. Alrighty. Okay, let's see, and then some more, and then there you have it. Pull it up, so there it is. And then, oh, I don't know if I showed you this, but it has the word welcome right when you open it. It's pretty cute. Right. So there's a pen, there's a bookmark, there's the canvas bag, some bucket lists, got some vertical weekly, and then tabs, these, oh, a washi tape, I already said that, stickers, and there you have it. That completes the very first Jane's Agenda subscription box number 1. Okay, now I'm gonna try to put it in my book and see how it goes. So I'll probably put it right here. So we're trying to decide, probably this way, at least for now. I'm just a little bit scared because I don't want any markings and whatnot on the front, so I put these to the side. Oops. Reading of the year right here. Maybe I can put it in between the months. Let's kind of see how it looks. September. This one right here. October. And then December. Just like right here. Again, I'm just putting this in where I'm kind of quickly, so I can do a bucket list at the end. And then we can do this as a bookmark. Oh, it does stick out just a little bit. And I can put this one in the front, maybe. And then this one, maybe right here or something. Nope, that's a full-on pocket. Nope. Just kind of put it right here. Alrighty, and then my midliner pen, which I'm probably not gonna put because this is pretty small. So there you have it. So if I were to pull it up, as you can see, if you want to go straight to the bucket list, just flip, and it's right there. Okay, this is not bad. This is really pretty. I love the fall theme. I like the fall theme, just enough, but not too much. Okay, It's a good first box. Probably don't know if I will order another one simply because I already have a lot of the things that are in the subscription box, but I think it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I was super excited when she had mentioned that she was gonna have a subscription box because I've always been into subscription boxes. I've done like Simply Gilded, I've done cloth and paper, and so I think it's a good first try, I want to say. I was kind of expecting to have a little bit more, especially since the price range is more than my other subscription boxes. So with that said, I had a lot of fun opening and unboxing this with you. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, feel free to add it on the bottom underneath the video. If not, I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.